Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use split screen on your Android phone. So if you want to run two apps at the same time and boost your productivity, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, open any app on your phone. Now tap the App Switcher button or swipe up at the bottom of the screen to bring up all your recent apps. Find the app you want to use in split screen, then long press on the App Preview. A small menu will appear. From here, tap on Split Screen View icon, the two squares icon. Now it's time to choose your second app. You'll see your recent apps, or you can open your app drawer and pick any app you want. Once you select it, your screen will be split into two, and you can use both apps at the same time. You can also rotate your phone like normal, and if you want to adjust the size of each app, just drag the divider bar in the middle to give one app more space. There are a lot of ways to use this. For example, you can watch a video while browsing the internet, take notes while reading something, or scroll social media while chatting with someone. Just keep in mind, you can only use two apps at once, and some apps don't support split screen, especially certain games, banking apps, or video apps. If you go back to the app switcher, you'll notice that these two apps are now grouped together. That means you can quickly return to them anytime. You can even create another split screen with different apps and switch between them easily. When you're done, just drag the divider all the way to one side to exit split screen and go back to a single app. And that's it. That's how you use split screen on your Android phone. It might look a little different depending on your device, but the steps are pretty much the same.